Jai Hind everyone. I am Dheeraj and today I'm going to talk about China's Belt and Road Initiative. So it started in 2013. It is a multifaceted developmental strategy for global cooperation and connectivity through development of infrastructure and trade and economic cooperation by linking Southeast Asia, Central Asia, Gulf region, Africa and Europe through network of land and sea routes. It was earlier known as One Belt and Road, and later its name was changed as BRI in order to convey a message of inclusivity. It has two types. One is Silk Road Economic Belt, that is overland transportation route across Eurasia, and second one is Maritime Silk Road, that is a maritime based ports, shipping routes, and maritime infrastructure in order to whose route is starting from South China Sea, then moving towards Indochina, then moving to Gulf region, then again Southeast Asia, then towards Indian Ocean, and then Africa and Europe. There are six key geographical corridors, and out of these six, two are greater concern to India. One is CPEC, that is China Pakistan Economic Corridor, and second one is China Myanmar Economic Corridor, which was earlier known as BCI, that is Bangladesh, China, India, and Myanmar Economic Corridor. It is BRIs of greater economic significance because the trade and investment has significantly increased through China, and also trade has seen a 6.4% per year increase between the year 2013 to 2022, that is in 9 years. Now talking about issues related to BRI, then one is debt trap, that is which countries which have poor governance and high corruption. Uh, then second one is geographical concern, that is China is influencing infrastructure of other countries. And third one is in environmental concern and social concern. Fourth one is that it has no centralized governance because it's not a multilateral initiative but collection of various bilateral initiatives. Now talking about India's stance on this BRI, Border Road Initiative, that India is opposing this initiative because it includes CPEC, that is China Pakistan Economic Corridor, which lies in the Indian region, that is Pakistan occupied Kashmir region. So on the grounds of sovereignty and transparency, India opposes this. Now, at last, concluding myself, I would just like to say that countries should focus on financial sustainability, then laws and rule of law. Also, China should avoid debt trap and should focus on environmental and social concerns. Instead of joining BRI, countries should join uh, other type of uh, cooperation initiatives like PGII, that is in full form is Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.